All right, this is your warm-up for Lesson 5 of Unit 2. So what you are going to do is you're going to decide if each statement is true or false and be prepared to explain your reasoning. So take a look at this here. We have 5 divided by 2 equals 5 halves. Go ahead and decide whether or not you think it's true or false and explain why you think that. All right, so we have 5 divided by 2 equals 5 halves. Well, I know that if I take 5 wholes and divide it by 2, I'm going to actually get 5 halves. This is why this is true. Because when I divide the wholes into 2, I end up having 5 divided by 2. This fraction bar equals division. The fraction bar equals division. So this statement is true. These are exactly the same thing. One just has a division symbol and one has a fraction bar. So if I divide 5 into 2 groups, there will be 5 halves in each group. Okay? All right, go ahead and take a look at this next one. 5 halves equals 5 1/2. Is this true or false? And explain why you think so. All right, so 5 halves equals 5 1/2. All right, so one thing that I like to do whenever I'm trying to figure out, so this is called an improper fraction. Whenever I'm trying to figure out if an improper fraction is equal to a mixed number, I like to pull out wholes. So let me show you what that looks like. 5 halves is equal to 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So I pulled out 2 over 2, which is equal to 1 whole, and 2 over 2, which is also equal to 1 whole, and the 1/2. So that would give me the fraction 2 1/2. Okay, so this is false. Another reason why this one is false is because first of all, we already proved that 5 halves is equal to 5 divided by 2. We've already proved that. And if I take 5 and divide it into 2 equal groups, I'm not going to have more than 5 as an answer. Division makes things smaller, not larger. So 5 divided into 2 groups, I am definitely not going to have more than 5 in each group. All right, go ahead and take a last look at this one. So we have 6 halves equals 3. Decide whether or not you think it's true or false and explain why. All right, so I'm going to use my method again of pulling out wholes. So I can pull out a 2 over 2 plus a 2 over 2 plus a 2 over 2. So I still have 6 here. As you can see, I have 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 6, which gives me a total of 3 wholes. So this is, in fact, true. So if I drew a picture and I had 6 halves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is equal to 3 wholes. All right, so now that you've finished this section on your own, go ahead and let your partner know you're ready, and then you guys are ready to start on activity 1.